Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the exact audio you want as a ringtone. This matters because Garageband trims and exports based on project length. Import from files or voice memos, or use an AAC/MP3. Convert beforehand if incompatibilities appear. Once the audio is in, align the clip at the beginning of the timeline and set the song settings to 30 seconds or less for iPhone ringtone compliance. Make sure to set correct tempo and key if you plan to add loops or pitch changes, so transitions remain natural. Next, you refine the ringtone by trimming, fading, and balancing levels. This is where a good ringtone is made. Split the region to remove unwanted parts, apply a quick fade-in and fade-out to avoid clicks, and reduce peaks so it's loud but not distorted. Once done, add subtle EQ or compression sparingly to preserve clarity on phone speakers. Make sure to preview with headphones and on your device if possible, because speaker response changes how the ringtone translates in real use. Finally, you export and install the ringtone. From Garageband on iOS, use Share Ringtone and name it. Garageband will handle format and length. If you're on Mac OS, bounce to a 30-second. M4R, then drag it into Finder or iTunes to sync with your iPhone. Once transferred, go to Settings, Sounds, and Haptics and select the new tone. If it doesn't show up, make sure the file is exactly 30 seconds or shorter in M4R format, and try restarting both Garageband and your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.